In this video, we listed the 20 best smart kitchen gadgets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Refrigerator Deodorizer. The Refrigerator Deodorizer is a highly effective tool for maintaining a fresh and odor-free refrigerator environment. Unlike traditional odor-controlling methods like baking soda or bamboo air purifying bags, this deodorizer is designed to last for an impressive 10 years, providing a long-term solution to eliminating unpleasant smells. Its advanced technology neutralizes odors at the molecular level, ensuring a consistently fresh and clean fridge atmosphere. Key features: exceptional longevity. With a 10-year lifespan, this deodorizer outperforms conventional alternatives, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Superior effectiveness. It is specifically engineered to tackle a broader range of odors, offering a more robust solution compared to baking soda or bamboo air purifying bags. Easy to use, compact and portable, it fits conveniently in your refrigerator without taking up much space or requiring maintenance. Product 2. Product name: Rapid Egg Cooker. The Rapid Egg Cooker is a compact and versatile kitchen appliance that simplifies the process of cooking eggs. Designed for convenience, this electric egg cooker can prepare up to 6 eggs in various styles, including hard-boiled, poached, scrambled, or as omelets, making it a perfect addition for households that enjoy eggs in diverse preparations. The auto shut-off feature ensures safety and prevents overcooking, allowing users to achieve consistent results with minimal effort. With its lightweight and sleek design, the Rapid Egg Cooker is ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone seeking quick and hassle-free egg cooking. Available in white, model December 005WH, it aligns well with the user's interest in practical and innovative kitchen tools that enhance cooking efficiency. Product 3. Product name: Stainless Steel Taco Holder Stand. The stainless steel taco holder stand, set of 6, is a functional and stylish addition to any kitchen or dining setup, catering to both casual and formal occasions. Designed to hold up to 3 tacos per rack, these stands keep taco shells upright and intact, making them ideal for serving and assembling tacos without the risk of spillage. Key features: durable stainless steel construction, built to last. These taco holders are resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term usability. Versatile usage: oven, grill, and dishwasher safe. The racks can be used for heating tacos, maintaining their shape during assembly, and ensuring easy cleanup. Set of 6, perfect for family meals, dinner parties, or taco nights, providing ample space to serve up to 18 tacos at once. Stylish design: the sleek and modern appearance complements any table setting, making it as practical as it is visually appealing. Product 4. Product name: Messity 2 Slice Toaster. The Messity 2 Slice Toaster is a modern, sleek kitchen appliance designed to deliver precision and convenience for toasting a variety of breads. Featuring a touchscreen interface, it provides an intuitive and user-friendly experience, making it an excellent choice for busy mornings or precise culinary needs. This toaster boasts 1.5-inch wide slots, accommodating different bread types, including bagels, muffins, waffles, and gluten-free options. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and complements contemporary kitchen aesthetics, aligning with the user's interest in high-quality kitchen appliances. Product 5. Product name: Fraddle Digital Kitchen Food Scale. The Fraddle Digital Kitchen Food Scale with bowl is a versatile and stylish addition to any kitchen, perfect for precision measurement in cooking and baking. This scale has a maximum capacity of 11 pounds and offers readings in grams and ounces, making it adaptable for a wide range of recipes and dietary needs. Key features include a removable, dishwasher-safe mixing bowl, which simplifies cleaning and adds convenience. The bowl's design ensures accurate measurements, whether you're measuring dry ingredients like flour and sugar or liquids like milk and oils. The bright red color of the scale and bowl adds a touch of vibrancy to your kitchen aesthetics. Product 6. Product name Original Under Cabinet Jar Opener. The Original Under Cabinet Jar Opener is a highly practical kitchen tool designed to make opening jars and bottles effortless, particularly for individuals with weak hands, arthritis, or other conditions that limit hand strength. This versatile device is installed discreetly under a cabinet or counter, ensuring it remains out of sight yet easily accessible when needed. Key features: effortless operation. Its innovative design allows users to open jars and bottles of any size with minimal effort, making it ideal for seniors and those with limited grip strength. Universal compatibility. The opener accommodates a wide range of lid sizes, from small bottles to large jar lids, ensuring versatility for various kitchen needs. Durable construction. Made in the USA, this jar opener is crafted from high-quality materials to provide long-lasting performance and reliability. Space-saving design. Its under-cabinet installation keeps counters clear and eliminates the need to store bulky handheld openers. Product 7. Product name Auto Measure Carousel. The KitchenArt 57010 Select A-Spice Auto Measure Carousel Professional Series is a convenient and innovative kitchen tool designed for avid cooks and bakers. This sleek satin-finished spice carousel offers a modern solution for organizing and dispensing spices with precision. Each carousel features 12 individual compartments that hold up to 4.5 ounces of your favorite spices or herbs. The standout feature is its auto measure function, which dispenses a precise 1/4 teaspoon with each click, ensuring consistent measurements directly into your dish or measuring spoon. The carousel's compact design allows it to be easily stored in a cabinet or on a countertop, and it can even be stacked with additional units for expanded storage. With its professional-grade build, the KitchenArt Select A-Spice Auto Measure Carousel is an excellent addition to any kitchen, combining functionality, organization, and efficiency to enhance your cooking experience. Product 8. Product name Calamai Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set. The Calamai Upgrade Broom and Dustpan Set is a practical cleaning tool designed for both indoor and outdoor use. This set is particularly suitable for homes with pets like dogs and cats, making it an excellent addition to your household cleaning supplies. Featuring a self-cleaning dustpan with built-in teeth, it allows users to easily remove dirt, hair, and debris from the broom bristles without manual intervention. The stand-up design ensures convenient storage, saving space and keeping the broom and dustpan upright when not in use. Its gray and orange color scheme adds a modern touch to its functionality. The durable construction and user-friendly design make it ideal for quick and efficient cleaning of pet hair, dust, and other messes, catering to everyday cleaning needs. Product 9. Product name Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set. The Gravity Electric Pepper and Salt Grinder Set offers a convenient and modern solution for seasoning your meals, complementing a kitchen filled with practical and innovative tools like the ones mentioned above. This salt and pepper mill set features adjustable coarseness for precise seasoning tailored to your recipes. The battery-powered, one-hand automatic operation simplifies grinding, allowing for ease of use even during busy cooking sessions. Crafted from durable stainless steel, the grinders boast a sleek silver finish that adds a sophisticated touch to your kitchen. The integrated LED light ensures accurate seasoning, even in dim lighting, making it ideal for outdoor grilling or candlelit dinners. This grinder set aligns well with an interest in kitchen appliances that combine functionality and design, similar to items like the digital meat thermometer and other culinary tools highlighted. Product 10. Product name MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine. The MegaWise Vacuum Sealer Machine is a versatile and compact kitchen appliance designed to simplify food preservation and reduce waste. With 80 kPa suction power, it effectively removes air from specially designed bags to keep food fresh for longer periods. The machine supports dry, moist, and fresh modes, making it suitable for preserving a wide variety of items, including meats, vegetables, and leftovers. This vacuum sealer includes bags and a cutter, offering convenience right out of the box. The one-touch automatic operation ensures ease of use, making it beginner-friendly while still offering high performance for seasoned cooks. Additionally, the integrated external vacuum system provides flexibility for sealing jars, wine bottles, and other non-standard containers. Product 11. Product name Powerful Immersion Blender. The powerful Immersion Blender is an essential handheld kitchen gadget designed to offer versatility and efficiency in meal preparation. With a robust 500-watt motor and a turbo mode feature, this electric hand blender delivers impressive power for tasks like blending soups, smoothies, pureeing ingredients, and even making baby food. The detachable base makes cleaning and storage hassle-free, while the 304 stainless steel blades ensure durability and optimal performance. Whether you're preparing a creamy soup or a smoothie, this Immersion Blender's sleek design and powerful capabilities make it a valuable tool for quick and easy food preparation in any kitchen. Its versatility makes it perfect for both everyday use and more specialized tasks, such as preparing pured baby food, contributing to its appeal for a wide range of culinary needs. Product 12. Product name for 5-inch thick kitchen mats for floor. The 4/5-inch thick kitchen mats for floor, specifically the step-right kitchen rug for standing desk, offers enhanced comfort and protection for standing surfaces. Designed with non-slip backing, these mats stay securely in place while you work, cook, or engage in other tasks. Their thicker construction, 4/5-inch, ensures superior cushioning, alleviating pressure on your feet and reducing fatigue during prolonged standing. The mats are made of stain-resistant and waterproof materials, making them durable and easy to clean, ideal for high-traffic areas like kitchens, offices, and home spaces. The sleek black color adds a modern touch to any setting, blending seamlessly with a variety of interior styles. The combination of comfort, durability, and functionality makes this anti-fatigue floor mat a perfect addition to both residential and commercial spaces. Product 13. Product name Meter Plus. The Meter Plus is a smart Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer designed for precision cooking, whether you're grilling, BBQing, baking, or using an air fryer. It provides an accurate digital readout, making it ideal for a variety of meats such as steak, chicken, turkey, and more. It's compatible with multiple cooking methods, including grill, oven, smoker, and even air fryers, offering flexibility for different kitchen setups. The thermometer's Bluetooth connectivity allows it to sync with the Meter app, which provides real-time temperature tracking from a distance of up to 165 feet. The app also includes over 50 recipes to help users achieve perfect results every time. The thermometer's sleek, wireless design ensures ease of use, eliminating the need for constant monitoring, and making it especially handy for busy or novice chefs. Product 14. Product name Ofargo Meat Injector Syringe Kit. The Ofargo 304 stainless steel meat injector syringe kit is an ideal addition for those who enjoy grilling, smoking, and cooking meats to perfection. It offers a 2-ounce large capacity, allowing for easy injection of marinades into various types of meats, enhancing flavor and moisture retention during the cooking process. This kit is crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to rust and corrosion, making it a reliable tool for BBQs and outdoor cooking. The syringe comes with 4 marinade needles, each designed for different types of marinades, allowing users to choose the right one based on their cooking needs. It's a versatile tool, especially for those who enjoy using their barbecue grill or smoker to prepare flavorful meats. The Ofargo Meat Injector Syringe Kit also includes a paper user manual and an ebook recipe, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced cooks looking to explore new marinade recipes and techniques. Product 15. Product name G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater. The G-Del Rotary Cheese Grater is a versatile kitchen tool that combines efficiency and convenience for various food preparation tasks. This mandolin slicer features 3 interchangeable blades, allowing you to grate cheese, slice vegetables, and chop fruits or nuts effortlessly. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip while using it, making it easy to handle even during extended use. The easy-to-clean design of the G-Del Rotary Grater simplifies maintenance, as the parts can be quickly disassembled for cleaning. This makes it an ideal choice for those who want to streamline their kitchen workflow and reduce prep time. The rotary mechanism allows for faster and more consistent grating compared to traditional manual graters, making it a must-have tool for busy home cooks and those who appreciate efficiency in the kitchen. Product 16. Product name Refrigerator Pantry Organizer Bins. The 10-pack refrigerator pantry organizer bins are a practical solution for organizing food and beverages in your kitchen, fridge, or pantry. These stackable, clear plastic bins come with lids, offering a convenient and efficient way to store a variety of items such as drinks, fruits, vegetables, cereals, and more. Their transparent design allows for easy visibility of contents, making it simple to locate what you need without rummaging through clutter. The stackable feature maximizes storage space, ideal for fridges, countertops, or cabinets, while keeping your kitchen organized and tidy. These versatile bins help reduce mess and promote better food preservation, making them an essential addition to any modern kitchen setup. Product 17. Product name Instant Pot Duo Plus. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is a versatile 9-in-1 electric cooker designed to handle various cooking tasks with ease, making it a great addition to any kitchen. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, warmer, and sterilizer, all in one convenient appliance. With a 6-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for families or small gatherings. The stainless steel design ensures durability and a modern look. It also comes with a helpful app that offers over 800 recipes, making it easy to explore new dishes and enhance your cooking experience. Whether you're looking to prepare a quick meal or slow cook your favorite dish, the Instant Pot Duo Plus offers flexibility and efficiency, complementing your interest in household kitchen appliances. Product 18. Product name Kitchen Utensils Set. Their Kitchen Utensils Set, 35 pieces cooking utensils with grater, tongs, spoon, spatula, and turner, is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen, perfect for cooking enthusiasts. Made from heat-resistant, food-grade silicone, these utensils ensure safety and durability while protecting your non-stick cookware from damage. The set includes essential tools like a grater, tongs, spoon, spatula, and turner, all designed with comfortable wooden handles for a secure grip. These kitchen gadgets make meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable, offering a high-quality solution for stirring, flipping, scraping, and serving food without worrying about scratches or burns. Whether you're baking, grilling, or sautéing, this set enhances your cooking experience with both style and function.